guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. For today's video, I'm going to be doing an extreme slime challenge. So in this challenge, I'm going to be making a giant batch of thick slime and then I'm going to be replicating it in miniature version. I've done a challenge like this before and you guys loved that video, so I thought it'd be fun to do it again, but this time around I'm going to be making a different kind of slime. But before we do get started, I want to give out a huge shout out to my notification squad. Thank you guys so much for your comments, and if you aren't part of the notification squad already, all you have to do is turn your post notifications and leave me a comment down below to be featured in my next video. And now without any further ado, let's get started with the challenge. Okay guys, so we're gonna start off by making a giant batch of thick slime. So the first thing you're going to need is glue all. And as you can see, I'm just pouring the glue into a bowl. Next, you want to add some clear glue into it, and this is really going to make the slime very glossy. I'm also going to add a lot of body lotion into it. And then I'm also going to add baby oil because this also helps the slime get very glossy. And of course, I am also going to add some food coloring to give the slime some color. Once you've added all of your ingredients, you want to go ahead and start mixing. Once that's all mixed together, you want to go ahead and activate your slime. Another important thing is that whenever you're making thick slime, you want to use a stronger activator than usual. That way you're going to end up adding in less water into the slime, and that's how it's going to be even thicker. Activating this was a struggle. I've seen people use these kitchen mixers to activate the slime. I don't have a mixer, so I just went in with my hands and it was very time consuming and messy. Once you've activated your slime, you want to let it sit for at least 2 days. That's how it's going to get super glossy because all of the air bubbles will rise to the top. I felt like just making the slime was a bit boring, so I decided that I want to make a charm. And here I have some yellow polymer clay and I'm going to be making a star. As you can see, I'm making the star by hand and I wish I had a star-shaped cookie cutter, but I didn't have one that was big enough. So after molding this for about 20 minutes, I finally have my star and I'm going to add a face. I'm going to finish it off by adding some blush, and then I'm going to let this bake in the oven for about 30 minutes. I'm going to add the star on top of the slime, and here is the giant batch of thick slime. Now I am going to be replicating this slime into miniature version. So here I have my mini bowl in which I'm going to add some glue all. By the way, I actually made these mini bottles of glue myself and I think they turned out so cute. Next, I'm going to be adding some clear glue. And again, I made this bottle myself. It's so adorable. Then all I'm going to do is add some body lotion, baby oil, and food coloring. I'm going to mix this all together and then I'm going to activate it. The miniature slime is all completed. Now I'm going to replicate the star. Luckily this time around I have this miniature star mold. So I'm just going to pop in some yellow clay And I'm gonna take it out, and there we have a miniature star. So yeah, pretty much the same exact thing. I'm just gonna add a face. And this time around, you want to let this bake in the oven for not 30, but 3 minutes. Even though the bowl in which I made the slime is pretty small, I ended up finding this even smaller bowl, and I'm going to pop in the slime, and then I'm going to add the star on top. And here we have both of the slimes side by side. You can barely see the miniature slime. It's so small. So yeah, I'm just gonna zoom it in for you guys so that you can have a closer look. I also thought that I would include some ASMR for you guys. And that is it for this video. I had so much fun filming it, and I hope that you guys enjoyed it. And yeah, I hope that you guys are having a fantastic day. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next one.